Hello, welcome, what's up guys? Do you want some tutorials from example like how to do, how to download, how to create, how to help and others? You have a link in the description to this channel. It is channel tutorials and earning and how to earning. And here you will have many tutorials. First are from Facebook, later will be, for example, from YouTube, and one of I want create 3 videos after English, 3 after Polish every day. As you can see, I do it. I want do it, and I have target. I have it in my mind to do it every day. I want it. Yes. And as you can see, what a half hour a new video 6 English Polish. As you can see, English Polish, and you have link in the description. I will invite you to this channel. I think it is very good idea, and yet I want create every day 6 video, 3 in Polish, 3 in English, and yet 2 7 and 8 video on something others than this what I uploaded in this day. For example, here is about Facebook, so the last 2 will be about earning or maybe about YouTube. I want do it, and I have this plan in my head. We will check what has happened. You may join here, I recommend you, and that's all. So thanks for watching. You have link in the description, remember, and see you next time. Bye bye.